Now we're going to explain how to add the Genie Plus to your ticket in the app. This is something you have to do the day you are going into the park if you want to use Genie Plus services. You can add it beginning at midnight the day you are going into a park, but we don't recommend waiting up late just to do that. You will want to add it in plenty of time, though, to be ready to book your first Lightning Lane at 7 a.m. So we recommend purchasing it around 6:45 that morning so you'll be ready right at 7 a.m. when your Lightning Lane reservation window opens. Open your app and go to the main page. From there, you'll see the Disney Genie Plus service box, which also shows you how much Genie Plus will cost for each person in your party that day. Click on Purchase. The next page gives you details about what features are included. Select Continue. The next page shows the eligible members of your party. Not everyone in your group has to buy the Genie Plus, so choose the members of your party you want to add it for and click on Confirm Party. This will take you to the page that shows you the price. Click on Continue and check out on the next page. If you experience an issue, close out of the app and reopen it to try again. Once you see the confirmation screen, your Genie Plus has been added to your park tickets and you are set to book your first Lightning Lane at 7 a.m.